Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to read and write decimal numbers. Now, reading of decimal numbers depend upon the place value chart that we have learned in the last video. So over here, we have a whole number part, decimal part, and we have fractional part. In the fractional part, we know that the first number after the decimal point is at the position tens. The second number is at the position hundred. And the third number is at the position thousands. So likewise, we read the number as this number as 123. For the decimal point, we write down and. So 123, 456 thousands. This end with the at the thousands position. So we end it with 456 thousands. Now, if we have another example, say 12.34. Here we read it as 12 and 34 tenths. It ends at the tenths position, so tenths. If we have 1.2, it ends at the tenths position, so it is read as 1 and 2 tenths. Now with this, let us see how do we write down the numbers now, the decimal numbers. Now, for example, let's take a number as say 43 decimal point 48. It ends at the hundredths position. Now here standard form will be 43.48. In the word form, we will write down 43. For decimal point, we write down and 48. It ends at the hundredths position, so we write down hundredths. Okay. Expanded form is that how we write on the fractional part. Okay. So 43, we write it, 4 is at the tens place. So we write in 40 plus 3 is at the ones place. Then we write down plus because we will show the decimal part, which is the fractional part. The first 4 over here is at the tenths position. So it becomes 4 by 10. 8 is at the hundredths position. So 8 by 100. Let us take one more example. If I take say 148.437. Standard form is 148.437. The word form will be 148 according to the place value chart of international numbers, international place value chart of numbers. So 48. Then for decimal point, we represent and. Now it ends at the thousands position. So it will be 437 thousands. So at the end, we actually write this according to the number. We know that the place values, how we write down the numbers, we speak it in the same form. Then at the end, we just write on the place of that particular decimal number. Now expanded form, 1 is at the hundreds position. So 100 plus 40 plus 8. Then for the tens position becomes 4 by 10. For the hundreds position, 3 by 100 and 7 is at the thousands position. Let's take one more example and clear this. See if I have 5913 decimal is 48. So standard form 5913.48. Word form starts with 1,000. So 5,913. Then and this ends at the hundredths position. So, and this number is 48 and 48 hundredths. Simple. expanded form, we start with the thousands position. So 5,000. 9 is at the hundreds position. So 900. 1 is at the tens position. Plus 3 is at the ones position. Then for the fractional part, we add with 4 by 10. Plus 8 is at the hundreds position. So 8 by 100. So I hope in this video I've cleared that how do we read the decimal numbers, how do we write the decimal numbers in standard form, in word form, and in the expanded form. Now tune in for the next video as a scavenger hunt on decimal numbers.